you want this job? Hi guys, we are gonna discuss 5 best answer for this question. So choose the answer whichever you like the most. Now let's get started. First sample answer can be like this. Working with such a reputed organization like yours is one of the most promising plus points about this position. But it's not the only one. This job position provides suitable work surroundings where I, as an individual, can gradually develop my skills and sharpen them for effective use in the future. The ocean of opportunity this job has attracts me towards it. So that was our first sample answer. Now let's move to another answer. Now this answer is for recent graduates. As I look forward to begin my career, I want to take experience from a team of experts which can make me grow in this field and grow as a professional. It can also cement the development that is much needed for freshers like myself. With an opportunity such as this one being offered by your organization is more than one can ask for. So that was the answer for recent graduate. Now answer for experienced candidates. It can be like this. It is time for me to move on to a bigger responsibility in my life. Since I am all set to take a step ahead in my life, this seems like a best opportunity to me. I already have great decision making skills that are essential for this work profile, both as a team member and as an individual. Also, I need to take up tasks which are mentioned in this job. So that was the answer for experienced candidate. Now let's move to another sample answer. Another sample answer can be like this. To be honest, this job can bring out the best in me, as this platform will let me show my potential. Also, your organization can give me one of the best professional workplace environments to work to my full potential and collaborate with experienced professionals. I am sure that once I join here, I will grow myself in my career as well as contribute to the organization's growth as well. So that was the another interesting sample answer. Now let's move to another one. To work in an atmosphere where I have freedom to paint my own thoughts and bring out the best is really what I look forward to now. I have spent a significant amount of time in developing and nurturing my skills, and this I feel is the best platform for me to apply each one of them completely. The job description is exactly what I had been looking. So guys, that was the another interesting answer. Thanks for watching this video and do watch this related content.